Hey guys, welcome back. It's your boy Keys. We're looking at Cobo Vote Hardware Wallet Reviews 2022. So I'm live on Binance Academy. So these are the specifications on Cobo Vault specifications. So we have the dimensions, battery power, yes. Connection, not applicable. We have compatibility. It's compatible with Android and iOS. Supported coins, 8 coins, ERC 20 tokens, and more. So this is the Cobo Vote. So what's in the box? So you get hardware device, SD card for updates and battery, protective kit, Cobo tablet for seed storage and later tray, a mnemonic tablet instructions, warranty card, and more. So the Cobo Vote overview is one of the more heavy duty solutions available on the market. The device itself is air gapped, meaning that it does not come into contact with other machines at any point. 3G or 4G Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC are not supported and therefore can't be used as an attack vector. So even when it comes to charging, the battery must be detached and charged via a separate dock. And to update the firmware, users need to insert an SD card loaded with the updates into the back of the device. So the only input the Cobo Vault receives from the outside world is through its camera, which is used to scan QR codes from a smartphone app. With this system, users can still spend the funds they hold on the device without using any cable. But when compared to other devices, creating transactions with Cobo Vault is slightly more cumbersome. So the use of a camera bears some similarities to the SafePal wallet. I will drop in a link in SafePal in the description box so you can get it. So unlike many hardware wallet providers who only provide a paper recovery sheet, Cobo provides a sturdy metal case to slot letters and more. You also get the 24 forward seed phrase, allowing users to reliably back up their private keys. So these are the pros, guys. So the large screen allows the users to make use of a full keyboard. Device never comes into contact with any other device, greatly reducing attacking vectors. The device is wiped if physically tampered with, open source firmware. The cons include one of the most expensive devices on the market. Sending forms from the device can be a bit clumsy. So the pricing is that one Cobo Vote is currently going for $490 as of 2020. So we can see the prices move. Closing thoughts: when the hardware wallet producers qualify their products as quotes, we don't generally take these in the literal sense. With this solution, however, Cobo has taken the concept a step further. Cobo Vault is an offline waterproof crypto wallet stored in a military grade case at a price of almost $500. Cobo Vault doesn't come cheap, but few wallets we have reviewed so far seem to eliminate digital and physical attack vectors as the Cobo Vault do. Usability and portability suffer as a result, but it has evidently been designed for users that want a robust and long-term storage solution, especially for large amounts of cryptocurrency. So that's all we have on crypto news today. Review Cobo Fruits. You want to check out Safe Part 2 in the comment section in the description box below. Stay subscribed, and peace out, guys.